My name is Vincent McKnight, and I'm co-chair of the Whistleblower department, along with my son, and that's interesting in and of itself. My father was a medical doctor, but he taught at Howard University, and he was very active in the civil rights movement, as both my parents were. And he volunteered to be the medical support for all the marches that were coming in the town. March on Washington, he was manning the tents for healthcare and things like that. He was taking us to marches. And so because of that, I was aware of cases that affected civil rights. I was aware of Thurgood Marshall and was exposed to it. So I thought about law as an avenue to work on those kinds of issues. For about 10 to 15 years of my career, I was representing railroad workers who were injured on the job in catastrophic injuries. So I was representing Amtrak employees in federal court. And then a guy by the name of Ed Totten comes to me, and he's an engineer at Amtrak, and they are planning the Acela train set. And he's upset about the procurement process associated with the development of the Acela train. And so I filed a False Claims Act case on behalf of him. That was my first case. Fast forward after 1995, I have a case involving a copying machine company. Copying machines are being made in China, and the client hired me to do the False Claims Act portion, and she hired David Sanford to represent her on the employment side of the case because she had been retaliated against. So she brought us together. We worked together well, everything was fine, and we kept talking with each other, and eventually, it was sort of like, well, why don't you come join us? And I said, well, why not? And so that's what happened. That's how I came here. Now what's interesting, because I'm older, is that there's so many very intelligent young people. And so my role is more than just seeing the future. My role is also teaching them and helping them to see what I see. I've got friends who are retiring, and they'll say things to me like, you're still working? And I'll go, yeah, I'm having a great time.